Namaste all of you. Today I am making fish fry. For that, so in a bowl I am taking half teaspoon of turmeric powder, then salt, then half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, then 1 spoon ginger garlic paste. Here green chili is also there in this paste. Then oil and lemon juice. So first we have to mix all these things nicely. So I am adding the fish here now. I'm going to keep this for 1 hour. So after 1 hour I'm going to fry fry the fish. Heated nicely. So this frying is done. This way we have to fry the remaining fish also. So my spicy fish fry is ready. So this way you can also try. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you will like this video. Thank you so much friends. Take care. See you soon with my next video.